Oh, bitch, behave. Don't need no saving. Nah, you too late. I hold my weight. Big Gucci base. My face is what? My face is gay. It ain't no talking about it, just got the mind to go and fade a nigga. Drop the addy, won't be ducking or bluffing, just pop out or give me the data, nigga. I hate them niggas, hands is up to date, ain't no playing with them. And this day to day, I had to pray a little. Gas your homie up, but when I take it in, you better say your name. Why the fuck he mad at me for? Last I checked, he was trying to be what? One, pull up on the night, look dumb. Niggas that run, he really trying to have no fun. Smoke good dope, they want. Try to keep up, get ahead of your lungs. We was at the front door, knocking on the front door. Sorry, auntie, we just looking for your son.
Well, I love that.
That nigga.
We got a very extra interesting story today. Pull up on them, hey, make them run, hey. Pull up on them, hey, make them run, hey. Pussy. Pull up on them, hey, make them run, hey. Pull up on them, hey, make them run, hey. Pussy. Big bag, Gucci, on my back, pull up on them, get them running, pull up on them, hey, make them run, hey, pussy, pull up on them, hey, make them run, hey.
I could tell the ice hotel is where my heart is cold as weak as from stale. I remember to remember, life is a bitch, I know I can never kiss and tell. Like wish me well, cause life is hell.
Hi guys. Advice I have for beginner dancers. I was also a beginner dancer when I started dancing my freshman year in college. I feel like the most important thing though is to have fun, because dancing is supposed to be fun. So I think you shouldn't be too stressed up about like not growing or like feeling stagnant, because dancing is supposed to be fun. And I think as a beginner dancer, it's like normal to not see like exponential growth from the beginning. In terms of training, honestly, it's just practice. When I was on a team, so I started dancing custom dance off, and then I joined easy hip hop for years. But I literally listened to the set like a billion times. It's still like my top 25 most played on my phone right now. So I just listened to the song a lot so that I got used to the musicality. And I'd always be marking on ruin walk or like marking in class and like practicing. Honestly, I think the best way to grow is to just practice, and I think especially as a beginner dancer, just try to go super full out all the time, because it's easier to go full out and then tone it down versus like being really small and then not being able to like go out of your box. So I think even when taking class, what I do is I go like super full out and I extend like the whole time, so that later when we're doing groups, I'm not suddenly like, oh, I don't know how to do choreo. So honestly, as a beginner dancer, I think just remember to have fun and like push yourself, but like don't be like tripping out if you're not like growing super fast. It's normal, you know. Okay, that's it.
Pull Pull up on 'em, get them running, hey, pull up on 'em, hey, make 'em run, hey, pussy, pull up on 'em, hey, make 'em